I noticed some fluid on my driveway. Upon further investigation, I noticed the fluid had also dripped onto my lower control arm. Let's go ahead and look into it a little bit further. I used a clean paper towel, and to notice the fluid is blue in color, which indicates it is coolant. Looks like the coolant expansion tank has cracked. You can see fluid on the side. To remove the expansion tank, you need to disconnect the hose here, here, one down here. You also have a sensor at the bottom of the expansion tank that you would have to disconnect, and then remove the two nuts that is holding the tank. First, you want to go ahead and remove any fluid that is currently in the tank to reduce the mess. Let's go ahead and remove the hoses. Pull the retaining clip and then pull on the hose. Although I removed most of the coolant from the expansion tank, the bottom one may get a little messy because there's still some fluid in there. The replacement part came with a sensor, so I am going to unplug the OEM sensor and just connect to the new replacement part. Simply push on the clip here and you pull it out. Here is the replacement part. The brand name and the part number. I purchased this from FCP Euro, which provides a lifetime warranty, and I will be using the BMW antifreeze. Here's the new sensor. Sensors in. Bottom hose is in. Let's go ahead and fill up the tank. This is a concentrate, so we should be mixing 50-50. Let's go ahead and start the engine. All finished. Thanks for watching.